In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to hide the price of your items in your Shopify store effectively. This process will ensure that the prices of your products will not display to your potential customers, contributing to the element of surprise or encouraging them to get in touch with you for a quote. To begin, your first step is to navigate to the official Shopify website. Once you're on the site, proceed by logging into your Shopify admin account. After logging in successfully, locate the Online Store option, typically found on the left panel of your dashboard. Once you've found it, make sure to click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, you will find the Themes option. Go ahead and click on this option too. For the next step, you would need to find your current live theme, a theme that you're using for your store. On the Themes page, you will see an Actions drop-down next to your live theme. Click on that and then select the Edit Code option from this drop-down menu. This action will take you to the code editing page of your live theme. Your journey now takes you to a search bar placed prominently at the top of your screen. Go ahead and click on this search bar. Type base CSS into the field, and then press Enter. This action will lead you to the file wherein the essential cascading style sheet, or CSS codes of your Shopify theme reside, controlling the look and feel of your web store. Now that you're in the base CSS file, it's time to scroll. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this file. This is where you'll need to paste the code that allows you to hide the prices of your products. Once you have the appropriate code, paste it directly at the bottom of this page. Then, all you need to do is save your changes. Once you're done saving your changes, it's time to see the magic working. Go back to your Shopify store and refresh it. And voila! You should now see that the prices on all your products are no longer visible. By following these simple but effective steps, you have successfully learned how to hide the prices on your Shopify store. That's it for this tutorial. Keep exploring, keep learning,